Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see about one of the very key sector and with uh, with EVs also getting attention and with the government is also pushing towards that. I thought we can cover this sector and I chose this stock, and this stock is also available at the right valuation for us to invest on a long term view. So we are talking about Exide Industries, and this particular company has got wide area of network, and they have some good customer base as well, like likes of Emerson, Ericsson, Hitachi, etc. And they have been their price movement have been between say of 160 to 200 with good book value. But however, I see that this should get some momentum hopefully in near future once there is more push towards EV, and also the overall sector as well as such has to grow. And also this company is now listed both in both the exchanges, and in the recent rating by ICRA last year, this has been rated as stable. So moving on to their financials, so it's black and white here. So all the numbers are really encouraging, be it revenue, the profit, or the EPS, and book value. As I said, the current market price is around 180, and the book value is at 124, which is also a good sign for us to start looking at the stock in terms of investment. And ROE also is good, with the valuation is the PE stands at 3.3, PB at 1.4. So with these data and with these values, we can start looking at the stock to invest on a long term view. And also with EVs getting the attention overall, this stock has to perform really well in near future. So this is the overall financial performance. It's as I always say, it's a consolidated numbers, and I refer money control to take these data, and also other some open source which is available. And then moving on to the holding patterns, if you see that the promoters holding has been constant with that around say 46%, and then FIA is also, they have slightly increased last quarter, but still again it is around say 10.5%. So there is no much change in terms of holding pattern with say FIIs and promoters. And mutual funds have invested a bit more, probably they expect some news around EVs and their contribution there. But overall the holding patterns looks good for us to I mean it's constant both with promoters and FIIs. And moving on to the next slide, it talks more about the peer comparison. So we have chosen close to three stocks which are peers to Excel, like say Amara Raja and HPL and Everready. And based on the metrics given or the data given here, Excite Industries are at the or always, it looks to be a supreme for us to invest when we want to choose out of all these. I think Excite Industries really fares well in terms of the valuation, in terms of ROE, in terms of dividend. I think it stands out, I would say, when we compare with other stocks. Even in terms of revenue, I mean the company beats the other companies. So probably we need to have some patience in terms of the price movement, because as I said earlier, it goes between say 170 to 200 to 10, but it should definitely pick up with given the valuation. And on the positive side, we also have some good dividend being given. So even for a long term investment view, it will have a good purpose for us to stay invested for from the dividend standpoint as well. So overall, this stock is a right time for us to stay invest on a long term view. And with more and more news about EV, this stock bound to perform really well. I hope it does. So yeah, so that's the end of the presentation. So thanks for watching, and stay safe, keep subscribing to the channel. There has been some delays, in putting this video, but however, we will again restart with some good number of stocks and what we learn and what we try to upload. So thanks again for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.